Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining this course. My name is Namun Hassan and I am an AI instructor. I'm really excited to teach you about Google AI Studio. The world is changing rapidly. Generative AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a powerful tool that is reshaping every industry. In this course, I will teach you a powerful generative AI tool that is Google AI Studio. Welcome to the Google AI Studio Bootcamp. This is not just a theory course, this is a hands on project based journey designed to give you real and practical skills. In this course, we will start by building a rock solid foundation. We will learn the core principles of prompt engineering, the art of talking to the AI to get exactly what you want. We will go beyond the basics, learning how to create custom AI personas with system instruction in Google AI Studio and build specialized tools like a personal tutor chatbot. Then we will learn how to get precise structured data from the AI, building a tool that can instantly extract key information from unstructured text. We will do something incredible. You will learn how to build and deploy no-code web application from a single sentence. We will build a complete travel itinerary planner and I will show you how to put it on the internet for the world to see with a single click. You will also become an AI powered content creator, generating entire social media marketing campaigns and even creating lesson plans and quizzes for my YouTube video. And of course, we will master the entire suite of generative media tools which is available in Google AI Studio. We will create stunning high fidelity images with Imagine Model in Google AI Studio. We will produce cinematic video clips with the most powerful video model View. We will generate professional multi-speaker voiceovers with Gemini speech generation model and compose our original multi-layered dance tracks with Lyria real-time model. Here is a sample of a dance track we are going to generate with Lyria real-time model. So this course is for everyone, whether you are a developer, a marketer, an entrepreneur, a content creator, or just an AI enthusiast. By the end of this course, you will have built a portfolio of over 10 real world projects. So this course is not just about theory, it is a practical project and I will teach you everything step by step. So before purchasing this course, check out the course description and check out the course curriculum. If you are happy, then enroll now and let's begin your journey. I'm really excited to be with you.